This is the main gate, main entrance gate to the cemetery here, with your office on your right hand side as you come in. This is the main path up, or the main road shall I say. You've got another little sort of side roadway to the left of me. Just want to look at these graves. Look at that one, that's well old. I'm going to go left here. You see right in front you've got the cenotaph, whatever they called it, yeah, cenotaph, war memorial type thing. I'm going to go around this way, show you that other little side road that I was saying about just now. And just down here there are some really old graves. I mean, like, seriously old. Now just look at that one. That is one proper nice stone now. Let's have a look at this. Now that is a crypt belonging to the Dron family. I'm not sure who the Dron family are, but that's quite an old crypt. I don't know if it's got any dates on it though. Oh yes, it has. In loving memory of Florence Elizabeth, wife of Sir Thomas Dron, who died on the 14th of September 1944. So Florence Elizabeth Dron is in here. And there's another plaque on this side. To the memory of Thomas Middleton Dron, KT, Sheriff of the City of London, 1923 to 1924. A loyal citizen, loving father and devoted husband who died on the 10th day of November 1924 in his 44th year. So he was only 44 when he died. This monument is raised by his sorrowing widow. Then a light, then thy breast, O through soul of my soul, I shall clasp thee again, and with God be the rest. Be interesting to find out a little bit more about Thomas Dron, Sheriff of the City of London. So I will try to find out some history of Thomas Dron, because this is his monument, and his wife just happens to be with him. Let's go and have a look at this one here as well. There's some interesting facts and some interesting people that are in this cemetery. The loving memory of Anne, the dearly beloved wife of Alfred Edwin, who died September the 3rd, 1906. She was 73. And Alfred Edwin died November the 30th, 1916. He was 84. Just look at that. That must have cost some back in like 1906. But just look how well it's kept. That is 115 years old. And you can still read it like yesterday. Like it was erected yesterday. Let's see what else we can go and find. I'll come back to the chapel in a minute, because there are two chapels in this cemetery. So I have to go around the other way, because that's blocked right now. Excuse me. It is just a little bit cold today. Right, this way we can get round to the chapel. This is quite a fair-sized cemetery, being that it's the main one for the Southend Borough as well. Let's go back down here. We'll have a look around this little chapel. We'll have a look around both the chapels at the same time. Like I said, there are two chapels. And directly in between the two chapels you have the cenotaph monument, as we can see here. This chapel's the smallest one of the two. Yeah, this chapel is the smallest one of the two. The other one's directly ahead. I think both of these chapels are built, well, I'm not sure when they're built, I'll have to find out. But all the buildings are the same age. Let's go and have a look around the other chapel. This is the other chapel that I was just saying about. I don't think these chapels have been used in quite some time, because judging by the overgrowth here, it's not been used in a good few months. I think these chapels seat roughly about 40 to 50 people, I think, thereabouts. Oh. Pardon me. This is another one of the little main avenues in the cemetery. But there is another crypt just up here, and I think, if I'm lucky, because this one's got a window in it, we may be able to have a little peek inside. This one is the Martin family crypt. Edith Martin, mother of Dennis. Because somebody smashed the window on this, vandalised it, we might be able to have a look inside. I'll take the camera off a minute to see what we can see in here. Wow, that is kind of spooky, man. The joys of infrared, as they say. Yeah, right down in there. And there, coffins. Dennis Albert Harvey Martin, only son of Cole A.E. and Edith Martin. So he was only about 13, 14 when he died. I just want to show you something down here. Because at this roundabout is the main avenue where you would come into this cemetery. They're right down there. But this is the memorial garden. I think this is more for the children's. I think this is more children's memorials here. But this has just recently been re-landscaped. Yes, it's the Southend Hospital Children's Memorial Garden. So this is for the children. This here. and through this gateway here, although there's no actual access, you've got the Jewish part of the cemetery with the Jewish synagogue chapel thing just over there. And the Jewish part cemetery takes up about a third of the grounds, I think. It's quite big, as you can see through the fencing. But all the Jewish graves face the same way. I'll try to get a bit closer to one, like to some, so I can demonstrate to you what I mean. Let me spin out here. I'll pick up some speed around here actually, because I am on a road. There's a gap in the fence I saw just up here, which I think we can have a look at. Yes, there is. There's a gap. Oh, just here. And as you can see, all the Jewish graves are all facing one direction. They're all facing kind of, well, I'm just trying to work it out actually. I'd say, yeah, they're all facing eastbound, these graves, facing the sun when it rises. Geez, some massive pine cones here. And let's go onward on our little adventure. We have another little avenue here, but I'm not going to go down to the right or straight on. I'm going to go up this way because I want to show you the sheer size of this cemetery. That we have some new bits over there that are just being built, or landscape, shall we say. We can actually go down here. This bit's all due to be made for more graves here to the left of me. There's some more quite old graves around here as well. This here's your back gate, which very rarely is ever open. In fact, it's locked at the moment as well. And now we're getting into the children's memorials. And the cremation, some cremation memorials just here as well. You can literally follow the perimeter. This is the perimeter road. In actual fact, we can get out via the perimeter road as well. But this graveyard is huge. I'm not sure how many acres it is. I will research how many acres, but it's fairly big, to be honest. It is fairly big. That's why I'd like, you know, you can come in here in a car and that. I mean, they say 10 mile an hour. It's top speed, but I'm only doing 8, so you know I should be okay. I should get away with it, really. You know. I'm just going to follow the perimeter now because I want to come out and go home because I'm getting a bit cold, a bit tired, a bit fed up, should we say. Yeah. Well, I hope you like my little tour of the cemetery. Actually, no, what I'll do in a minute actually is I'll show you another bit. just as I'm going past, because I can get round that way anyway. So excuse me. Now this little fenced off bit here, this little bit here is the Commonwealth war graves, etc. But also there are some council dignitaries in here as well. I think the council dignitaries might be just in front, I'm not sure. But this is the Commonwealth war graves part. And there's a lot of room for more. Thieving tossers.